Psychiatrist, how to play. The object of this parlor game is for one person who doesn't know what's going on to figure out what's going on. This game can be really challenging, so pick a person who likes figuring things out, is good at asking lots of questions, is comfortable being the center of attention, and is okay being the only person who isn't in on the joke. Setup. Sit in a circle, and one person who has never played the game before leaves the room. If you are that person, or would one day like to be that person, stop watching this video now. Once that person leaves, explain to the group that everyone believes they are the person to their left, and must answer all questions as if they are that person. You must answer honestly. If you do not know the answer to a question asked, you must say, "I don't know. I need to ask my psychiatrist." Then everyone gets up and switches seats, sitting in a new seat so that no two people are sitting in the same spot, and the order of people in the circle is different. Once all the players understand how to play, bring in the person who left the room and put them in the middle of the circle. They can sit or stand, whatever they prefer. And explain to them, you are a psychiatrist. We all have a problem, and your goal is to figure out what our problem is by asking us personal yes or no questions. Good luck. Once the player has figured out what the problem is, the game ends and they win.